pandas. So today I am opening the Lovegood figure wizarding box. Let's get into it. Sneak peek, guys. I will get in. Okay. First things first, there's a t-shirt with her, you can see that, but her sneakers, which is pretty cool. I've already opened this to get rid of all the packaging, so it's not going to make any noise. Next thing is a little Luna in her lion headdress earring, so that's quite cool. What else? It says the bubble of narwhal and bolts, which are little label from Luna, which is pretty cool. A little label, that's cool. We have her plums. I can't even say them. I could put them in, but I don't feel like putting them today. So we got a necklace with her specs, and plus that could, I'll probably use the backing card. It has a bookmark, which is pretty cool. Talking about this specs, I've got mine on what's this, cushion cover. I love getting cushion covers, so it's got a picture specs, her earrings, the quibbler, her wand, a watch, and her a Ravenclaw. Well, not hers, but it could be hers. A Ravenclaw scarf. It's actually nice and soft compared to these couple. This one's actually nice and soft. I must have got some whatchamacallit from everyone else saying they didn't like these. I don't mind. They're a bit rough, but and that would actually look good in my bedroom because my bedspread is, my quilt cover is blue, so it blend in. This is a little flag that says you're just as sane as I am, and there's which specs on there. I've got a cheat sheet, obviously, and there's a print. Yeah. Prints are really hard to get. Wasn't it fun? Anything else in there? No, with the lines? No. And a cool print of Luna with one with the switch specs. I think she's got the the quibbler and the wand and the quibbler. That's really cool. So there's that. I really like the box design. And this is okay. The cheat sheet says exclusive. Well, everything's exclusive, obviously. Luna Lovegood Lost Shoes t-shirt. Theme cushion cover. Lion head figure. I can't see it. The plum, her earrings, her necklace, which would be cool because I can. Oh, another necklace to wear. Subtle hint to Luna. A Noble's potion with intentional crumpled label. Exclusive Luna quote. You're just the same as I am flag and Luna print. And so that's really cool. And obviously there's hints for YouTube Spotlight and next month's hit, which is Harry with the golden egg. But anyhow, whoops, I just dropped it. I know I haven't boxed channel for ages because I haven't been getting any, and I see this is actually gotten for I probably won't be getting many of them from Lovegood or anywhere else. But I'll probably get the limited edition ones. Like I did get the House Elf one, and I'll probably get the special edition ones like that to do, or limited edition ones to do. I think the last one I unboxed was Cherry's box. One of Cherry's boxes. I did get both her first one and her Christmas one. Hopefully she's getting it and doing. I'd love to do. Hopefully Cherry's doing more. I'd like to do a box more Cherries. I think Cherry and I've got the same mindset with like the idea of having with potions and replicas and stuff like that.